matches, when you're playing against an attacking player, you need to have a good defense. Okay, so defense is almost similar to drives, but only thing is in drives the contact point is higher, but in defense the contact point is low because the smashes come downwards, which we had covered in our previous class. So here what you need to focus on is when you are teaching the children the defense, one thing is the shuttle will travel fast. Okay, when a child smashes, the shuttle will travel fast. So your feeding also will be a bit faster. And because till now what all the feeding which you have done has been in a easy pace or a medium pace, but now you will be throwing it faster. So the children will have to get used to the pace of the shuttle. So for that, to start off with, easy one is first you have just one step movement to play the defense. So they need to contact the shuttle and send it across the net. Okay. Then the second variation in a progressive way will be from the center. So you will move from the center and defend the shuttle. Here, when you are contacting the shuttle, okay, what you need to focus is, I will just show the racket. So the racket has to be a little this way, okay? It cannot be too high. Then when the smash comes, the shuttle will hit the racket and it will go too high and it will give an opportunity to the opponent to tap and finish the rally. So it has to be this way, a little flat, almost the same like how you are playing the keeps. Okay, so this is one thing. And the shuttle also, try not to defend the shuttle too high from the net. It should go very close to the net. But also do not insist on children playing it very close to the service line. So if you tell them to play it too close, they might end up hitting it to the net. So even if the shuttle goes little away, it is okay, but the shuttle should not go too high. So now I will demonstrate the two variations. To start off with, you start with the forehand corner first. My height, my height is good, so probably I can just cover in one step. But the children with less height, they will need one more extra step. So start off in this position, and from here, one step. Okay. So with the shuttle feeding up. So from here, a little faster. The contact point is in front, as far as possible in the front, or maybe if the smash is too hard, then this position is also okay. Now the second variation, from the center. From here, you move and then defend. So here, the feeding also has to be correct. Let the children contact the shuttle. Do not try to win against the child. So let's start. The next one is the backhand defense. Here also I would like to mention that defense can also be called as block. Okay. So for the backhand side, it is almost similar to the drives, like I mentioned when we did the forehand defense. So you need to have a backhand grip, and here the right leg comes forward and then you strike the shuttle. So same way we will have two variations. So from this position we will do a one step, and then the next one from the center, this one and the defense. Okay. Start. The third progression will be, you will throw shuttles to the forehand side and the backhand side alternately. Here, one thing which you can incorporate probably later after the child has developed the right technique is, sometimes you throw the shuttle harder, sometimes you throw it with less speed. So vary the pace, because smash doesn't come always in the same speed. So vary the pace a bit, because the children also should learn how to control the shuttle when the smash is hit harder and they should also know how to control the shuttle when the smash is hit with little force. Okay, that is one thing. The second thing is, when they are in the center, insist on holding a neutral grip. So they will hold a neutral grip, and if the shuttle comes to the forehand side, the forehand grip, the same grip and the forehand defense. When it comes to the backhand side, change to backhand, play the backhand defense. Then again when they come back to the center, it has to be a neutral grip. So now we will demonstrate the defense for forehand plus backhand.